Hello! So today it's not an Auriculopedia video, it's another unboxing video. So as you probably know, I've been searching for a working tape drive for a while, and a few weeks ago I got myself a Sony TCM939, which indeed worked better than my old Philips, but there are still some problems because it's not adjustable. You can't tweak anything about the bass level, this kind of thing. And some people on Reddit suggested to get a Sony Walkman, specifically a EX model, but when I checked the prices on eBay, it was incredibly expensive. And for some reason, in the marketplace of Facebook, it appeared that somebody in Norway, in Trondheim, had a brand new Philips, not a Walkman, but a portable drive. So after looking at the picture, I decided to buy it. So I received it earlier yesterday. So basically this thing was bought by somebody, I'm not quite sure why, but it was never actually opened. So there you have it, Philips D6595 personal stereo cassette player, auto reverse, with a battery thing. So can see the reference there, but the funny thing is that worldwide sponsor of the 1988 Olympic Games. So this thing is from the Seoul Summer Olympic 1988 period, and that seemed to match the documentation I've seen on some other website. So box has been a bit crumpled here, but otherwise it looks quite good. So let's see. So if this thing is from 1988, that means it's about 32 years old, give or take. I'm going to put the box here. You can see polystyrene is in pretty good condition. The manual. Shiny. I guess that's the clamp put on the belt, which you can see I just made the first print on it. So, typical, yeah, not awesome, but I guess these things are important because they are supposed to be used as an antenna, because this thing has a radio. And so here it is. You can see it's all shiny, there is not one single scratch on it. You can see my face in it. Push to open. And this thing is like, it's like fast forward 30 years and you go in the shop and you try it at home. So you can see play direction, power off on, reward, forward, stop. And here we'll try to get it stable. Battery indicator, volume, tuning for the radio. There is a DC 3V input, the jack headphone, volume control, FM AM switch, which is also Dolby on off, metal normal tape selector, which is also stereo mono for the radio. Yeah, so the thing looks nice. So here we have, let's try to not damage it, Die Deutsche Bundespost informiert. Yeah, my German is not that good. Bonn, 1979. I guess that's some regulation about post something. And here we have the actual manual stereo cassette player. So let's see if I can open that. So there is a date of purchase, but the thing was not stamped. English, supply batteries, insert as indicated 2 alkaline batteries type blah blah or AA. Actually, I did not know they were called UM3 at some point. The batteries are exhausted with the battery indicator overuse, mode radio, connected phone. Yeah, nothing special. Maintenance, clean the magnetic head after every 50 hours of operation on average. License from Dolby. And then you get small schematics. So now the question on this thing is always that this thing is brand new, which means it's never been used, but the mechanical part inside are probably fine, but things made of gummy tend to revert to their normal state when they stay for too long in storage. So I say let's give a shot. So I got some batteries around. And I also have a small speaker because headset is not going to be very practical. So let's see. So there's not much radio in Norway anymore, especially FM, but that one I am, yeah, actually I'm in FM. Wow. So can I get, maybe?
Está en Radio Latinoamérica.
Let's try stereo.
Escuchamos lo que te tengo que decir.
Okay, let's try AM. Yeah, not much thing. So, we know at least that the FM work. What about tapes? So, if we can hear a lot about Dolby, but so Dolby off, you can hear some hissing, and then I think the hissing is gone. Another tape. but it's not a metal tape, so. And I'm going to stop here, else the automated music tracking of YouTube is going to cut the audio. But yeah, so basically that's it. So I guess this thing you clip it there. So yeah, well, there you go. The 32 years old brand new boxed Sony, not Sony, Seoul 1988 Olympics.